Don't go yet, guys. Don't go yet. They're not there. They're not there. I think they're in the statue. Don't go in. Don't go in.
Nakalang yata sila bumamba pag nag-start na.
Andito na sila sa taas.
Swing right, guys. Swing right. Gonna go here. Go. With me. With me. Don't go there, guys. Go down. Go down. Go down.
Go outside, go outside.
Outside. Outside. Outside.
Uy, joke yan ha.
Ready. 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 Swing right. Swing right. Swing right.
Marok.
Out. 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 Out muna. Out muna. Out muna ba? It's ready. It's ready, guys. Ready. Swing right now. Swing right now. Swing right. 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 Swing right. Swing right. Fast, guys. Fast. Fast.
Sige, sige, sige.
9, 8,
The best
7,
lang ako.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Melee down, melee down, melee down, melee down, melee down, melee down with me, with me, with me. Bop up, ready. In 3, 2, 1, push up, push up, push up, push up. Tornadoes on the stairs, 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 guys. Push up, push up, push up. No, no, never mind. Tornado in the brick. Brick side. Sustain. Bastion up. Hold up. Okay na, sing to left. Near the stairs. Okay, pushing boon now. Clean up the right, guys. Clean up the right near the hole. Okay, go to the middle, all of you. Go to the middle. Middle now. Heal up. Sustain.
May isa nasa taas ah. Pillar. Pa-target ka. Ay, naku.
Okay, taking. Okay, focus in the pillar. Left. Near the left of the boon. Left of the reef. Okay, stay. Hold. Sustain. Heal up, guys. Heal up. Melee. Backlash. More push. Melee, more push. Don't let them flash. Melee, with me. Go. Push them up. Go. Heal up. Nice. Bastion up again. Cool down. Spots. Okay, turn around. Back. Need help with the boon. Ay, Rick. Side, wipe them at the Rick. Tornadoes near the stairs. Guys. Stairs, tornado, guys. Nice.
Ano yung tanker yun eh?
Okay, regroup at stairs. People who died, regroup at stairs with me. Okay, ready? We're gonna push the stairs straight up. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, straight up. Stairs. Move up now. Stairs, go to the stairs side. Melee. Go. Push up. Go. Push up. Don't let them flash. Get the range. Going statue. Okay, turn around. Go back. Rift side. All of you, rift side now. Range, DPS, melee. Just keep poking them. All range, Presty at the rift. Presty. Ready in 3, 2, 1, Presty. Okay, keep the tornadoes near the stairs. Nice. Flash. Nice. Pick the range, guys. Spears also. Range and spears. Sing near the stairs, guys. Lower stairs. Melee. Just sustain fountains. There's fountains inside, guys. It's fine. Bastion up. Now, focus on the left side, near the wall. Okay? Can you kill the range at the top, guys? At the top. Pansinin nyo to. Nasa taas. Nice, blink up.
Puro nagdidinas.
Guys, outside the reef. Near the cliff. Guys, melee. Go. Near the cliff, melee. Just sustain. Group up with your party, guys. For heals. Tornado. Nice. Keep holding. Regroup near the stairs, guys. Small stairs. Our stairs. Play around the small stairs. Range. Melee. Keep poking them. The other side. Okay, hold up, hold up.
Taas
Sustain.
ng wall.
Sustain, guys. Sing here.
Side yung nasa taas oh. Do you
Back here. Back. Out to the wall. Here, regroup here. Regroup first, guys. Regroup first. With me, guys. Regroup here. Okay, dyan sa walls. Preheat sila, preheat. Pwede nyo ba akitin yun? GS dance. Go back. Outside, play outside.
Lugi tayo sa numbers.
Hold down. Regroup muna, guys. Stairs muna. Huwag nyo muna i-push yung inside. Stairs muna. Wipe muna natin yung stairs. Wipe the stairs first. Stairs. Small stairs. Okay, nice. Ready now. Okay, gonna push. Push inside, melee. 3, 2, 1, push. Inside. Melee now. Melee. Backlines, melee. Keep walking the backlines. Only range will back. Keep pushing. Melee. Target the range, guys. Melee. Dead. Sleep. Get back.
Get inside the box.
Okay, ready all of you. Go. Inside now. Push up. Sustain. Inside. Melee. Heal up. Just keep the tornadoes, guys. Corner wall. Left side corner. Sustain here. Hold on. Nice. Keep flashing, guys. I see people at the right side, guys. Go inside. Tapping. Go inside now. Fight inside now. Range. Cornel. Patayin mo nga yung nasa top. Go back. Sustain inside, guys. Face the upper stairs. Go with your party, guys.
Dami pinipira sa akin.
Sige, keep holding. People outside. Push in, guys. People outside, push in. No, don't stay at the stairs, guys. You see flash yan. Just stay near. Don't stay in the stairs, guys. Regroup, middle. Regroup middle.
Tara, labas tayo.
Hold on. Guys, huwag na kayo magreklamo sa respawn. Exhibition match lang to. Okay, umiyak.
Guardian.
Iyakin nyo. Guardian up. Go back lang. GS Dogs, can you focus around the right side, guys, going up the stairs?
Titira talaga nila yung mga bomb. Trip nila.
Currently mo ba pwedeng aside ng cut ng wave sa game?
Bawal nga yun. Kaya lang, may rules kasi. Exhibition match lang naman ito, walang micro. Sige, go back lang, guys. Go back. Inside, guys. Inside. No micro. Inside, guys. Inside. Sustain inside. Hold up. We're here. Heal up.
Oo.
Go inside first, guys. Fight at the open area. Don't stay at the stairs, guys. Easy flash kayo dyan. Inside, middle. Middle, guys. Middle. Sa middle kayo maglaban. Sa middle. Wag dyan sa small choke. Easy flash kayo dyan. Angat agad bago PvP. Huwag tira, guys. Go. Mili, stay at the box, guys. Stay at the box.
Skill. Ubus na.
Huwag kayo huminto dyan sa stairs. Huwag kayo huminto sa stairs. Middle kayo lumaban. Yan. Nice.
Sa loob ng box.
Go right. No. Go right. Now, ready? 3, 2, 1. Push in now. Wipe. Tornado. Hold up. Face them.
Wala akong skill ah.
Turtle 3.
Sustain sa rift.
Sustain.
Clear all inside top.
Huwag kayong medyo lumapit sa wall. Mili lang yung lumapit sa wall. Open area guys, open area. Go right, open area. Nice. Don't go near the wall guys. Don't go near. Push them at the stairs.
Hindi kaya tirahin. Naipit tayo. Wala.
Wala kami masyado dumikit sa wall guys. Open area. Up. Upside. Hold up. Sing right konti. Sing right.
Don't PvP outside the box. Go inside.
Hindi, okay lang. Sing back. Flash lang, flash. Flash going sa Rick. Hold up lang. Don't club up dyan guys. Open. Right konti guys. Right side konti. Middle part. Fight at the middle part guys. Middle part.
Hindi, nandun ako kay Binator eh. Maraming ka-flash yun.
Middle muna. Others middle. Huwag kayo dyan sa choke na yan. Middle muna. Sing to muna sa middle. Sing muna sa middle. Middle muna guys. Sing to middle first. Sing to middle.
Nila na naman ako visit.
Okay, ready now. People in the middle. We push inside. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Push inside now. Inside now. People in the middle. Inside now. Push now. Middle. Don't go near the wall guys ha. Fight lang din center.
Wala pa rin ako skill. Meron na.
Hold up.
Puro nasa...
People outside. Mili. Go inside,
Wala
mili.
akong skill.
Huwag kayo don't stay at near the stairs guys. Small stairs. Middle. Fight at middle guys. You can swing to the middle. Going right. Facing the reef. Okay, hold up now.
Ano yun eh?
Tornadoes. Bashin up guys. Sustain.
Hindi masustain.
Fountains more. Okay, hold on. Fill up lang yan. Tornadoes.
Hindi ko talaga kaya pumasok pag ano. Sige, delete ako. Delete niya lang ako.
Okay, hold on. Fill up. Near the reef, right side the reef, guys. Middle part guys, middle part. Or at the middle part. Middle right. Hold up. Push more guys, push more. At the center, push more at the center. Nice. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Push more at the center, push more at the center. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Hindi umangat. Mas madami sila.
Kailangan ng melee nakatan yung ano, yung spawn nila. Kung saan sila nanggagaling, kailangan nakatan ng melee.
Melee? Sa
Oo.
stop?
Melee natin. Doon sa may stairs nila. Sa side nila.
Okay. Okay lang. Hindi, okay lang, okay lang.
Pwede
Sa
tayo
middle,
mag-push yung
sa,
soul ah. Wala na yung souls, wala na yung soul. Pwede
okay,
tayo
ready?
mag-push yung dalawa.
Okay, you can push, you can push, you can push. Ready? 3, 2, 1, push up now, push up now, push up now, push up now. You can push now, you can push, you can push, you can push. Face near the tree, guys, near the tree, near the tree. Fight near the tree, guys. Move to the middle, guys, middle. Sing kayo sa middle, sing to middle. In out. Middle fight. Near sa cliff, guys, near sa cliff. Sing near sa cliff. Hold on. Sustain. Bastion, guys. AO heals. Tornado.
Marami sila sa loob.
Center. Go inside center, guys. Play at the center. Huwag kayo mag-corner. Center.
Dali, babaka ko. Wala na ako.
Ay, push in. To the cliff side, guys. Hold na. Range. Target range.
Nasa mo install yung Windows? So, ano mo?
Flash.
Ano? This? Hindi. Reformat ng lahat.
Nice.
Isang disk lang yan.
Hold on. More right, guys. More right. Where the respawn, guys. Hold down. Sustain. Spots. Fill up. Fountains. Guys, nasaan sila sa may stairs, ha? Big stairs. Right, guys, right. Tornado now. Hold on, bastion. Pushing out, guys. Pushing out now. Push out. People will come up, go. Use middle, guys. Cut them at the back.
Wala na ako skill.
Okay, choke right, guys. Sustain. Iyon lang heal. Okay, push out. Papunta sa spawn na lang. Push out. Pati na lang yan na sa middle. Push out na. Okay, hold on. Sa cliff, guys. Cliff side. Hilang. Hilap lang. Bastion again. Pull down. Bastion. Shield up. Go. Push them out, guys. Push them out. Middle side, guys. Middle. Go back. Stay at middle. Push them out.
Ano mo na ba?
Sustain. Jump middle. Push them out, guys. Going to the cliff. People outside, guys. Inside. Lahat na sa labas. Inside now. I see people outside. Go inside now. All of you, inside. Heal. Inside now. All of you. Inside. Sustain. Inside. Oh, hold up. Sustain more. Bashin up. Guardian up. Guardian. Bashin again. Shield up. Jump in. People will die. Jump in the middle. Jump in now. Jump in now. Jump in now. Sustain. Okay, flash, flash, tornado the middle, guys. Tornado the middle. Tornado, no. Corner, guys, corner. Wall side. Center, flash center.
Ang mamatay, pupunay na.
Center. Flash center. Hilap. GG guys, GG.
Hindi. Hindi ko kaya sustain yung ano. Kahit hinihila ako ni Papa Wash. Hindi kaya ng karakter ko din sa loob. Pulik.